So as you can see, this is what's called wet glazing the shower. See all the silicone? There's a reason why there's such a big mess there, because we want to make sure that the silicone goes all the way underneath the glass. Don't shoot that one until after we clean up the dude.
I got it.
Alright. He's going for the money. Now it just requires cleaning it up. But this panel right here, take a look at the shower once it's closed. You see the gap. Wow, that's a nice gap. There's no rubber seals. There's sample as you can see right here, but that panel of glass, apparently there was something wrong with these glasses. Okay. This is 3/8 thick tempered, and so I just want to give you an example of how strong the surface is of this glass. Very strong right here. Not too strong on the corners, but if I can hit this with this hammer, it won't even break it. It's incredibly strong because it's heat strengthened. I'm even going to take a larger swing at it now. Still didn't break. That's hurting my ears.
I wouldn't recommend it at all.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend the glass edge. For some reason, it's a door, and it swings open and hits the tile. Like a bench seat. That's what you get. I think it went pretty good. Hey, that glass matches the walls. Alright. How's it going in here?
Perfect.
I see you got it all cleaned away. It's looking almost as if it was channeled into the top marble up there. What you really got to do is clean up this outside. We'll watch him do that.
Why do we do this spray?
Why?
So that it's sticking.
Oh yeah, this gives us the ability to tool off the excess silicone, and it just doesn't stick to anything. The silicone just comes right off. It doesn't make a mess at all. This is a non-molding silicone, meaning that it has special acids in it that keep the mold from growing.